welcome to another edition of Destination Bacon. And on today's episode, we are going to make an Amish broccoli salad. It's going to be crunchy. We're going to sweeten it up by adding some craisins to it, a little more crunch with some walnuts. So stay tuned for this week's episode. We're gonna fry our bacon and start chopping up our cauliflower and our broccoli. And I'm actually gonna cut this recipe in half. Since it's just the two of us, I honestly don't need as much as the recipe calls for. So let's get started. The recipe called for a whole pound of bacon, but again, I'm gonna cut this in half, so just half a pound. While our bacon is frying, let's chop up some broccoli and cauliflower. I'm supposed to be using a whole head of broccoli and a whole head of cauliflower, but because there's just two of us today, I am gonna do half because this is just gonna be plenty. You can, if you have a large family or a gathering, you may want to use the whole head of both the broccoli and the cauliflower. I have chopped up my broccoli and my cauliflower and I've put them in a bowl. So now it's time to make the dressing. Take a separate bowl and mix sour cream mayo all together. I have half a cup of mayo, half a cup of sour cream instead of 1 cup each. I have an 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 cup of sugar instead of half a cup. And now we are going to blend this together until the sugar dissolves and everything is mixed well. You're then going to combine your dressing that you made with your broccoli and your cauliflower. Make sure you coat all of it nice and even. Then I'm going to chop up my bacon and we'll add this to the salad. Keep stirring. Oopsie! I forgot about the sharp cheddar cheese. So you're supposed to grate 1 cup of cheddar cheese, or any kind of cheese really. And I am using Cabot's extra sharp. So I'm going to grate up half a cup. I have crumbled up my bacon, so let's add it to our salad. And you want to be sure to reserve a little bit of the bacon for when you're going to serve it as kind of like a extra sprinkle, fun little topping. And then you're going to add your cheese that I just shredded. You can use, I'm using extra sharp cheddar, but of course you can use your favorite cheese, whatever that may be. Okay, now we're going to want to thoroughly combine this. Give it a little stir, a little mix, and then you can add any other additional toppings that you think your family would like. So I'm going to add some walnuts and I'm going to add some craisins, but you could also add almonds if you wanted to, or sunflower seeds. Red onion would actually be very tasty in this. I didn't have, very sad, boo-hoo, I didn't have any red onion today. Otherwise, I definitely would have put red onion in this recipe. And I have some walnuts. I think that'll add a nice kind of toasty little nutty flavor to it. I'm not gonna get crazy with the walnuts. Just a few sprinkles here. Use up some more of the cheese. Another quick mix. And we are ready to do the taste test. Here is the finished product. Amish broccoli salad. Broccoli, cauliflower, bacon, craisins, some cheddar cheese, and walnuts. Let's dig in. Here we go with the taste test. So the trick is to try to get a little bit of everything on your fork. Bacon, craisin, cauliflower. Here we go. Okay. Veggies, super fresh, crunchy. The sour cream and mayo dressing, nice and smooth. Of course, the sweetness, not only from the sugar, but from the craisins that I sprinkled on top. The cheese adds a nice flavor to it. The bacon, of course, is crisp and smoky and savory. Oh, and the walnuts, nice, like kind of woody, earthy, you know, walnutty flavor. Oh, so good, you guys. You definitely have to try this. So, if you make this at home, please be sure to comment below with how it turns out for you. And let me know if you changed it up. Did you add different toppings? I just want to hear from you. So please be sure to give me a thumbs up because it really helps me. Smash that subscribe button. And I will see you next time on Destination Bacon. Bye. It's got broccoli and cauliflower. So it's healthy, right? So what if it's not?